easy, classic bacon potato salad. Try this creamy and tasty, light and flavorful recipe with simple ingredients. I think it'll be a perfect addition to your cookout recipe collection. You can double the ingredients if you have guests. Peel 6 to 7 big potatoes and cut them into cubes. You can cook potatoes whole with the skin on. Also, you'll need finely chopped onion. Cut 300 grams of the bacon into small pieces. Chop a cup of fresh dill. Take celery sticks and sprigs and chop them. Cook potatoes in salted boiling water for 20 minutes until just cooked. Drain, then cool. They should hold their shape well after cooking. Meanwhile, in a large skillet, cook the onion with olive oil until lightly browned. Set aside. Cook the bacon under medium heat on the same skillet until brown and crisp, stirring occasionally. Drain on paper towels. To cook a sauce, in a medium bowl mix together 120 milliliters mayonnaise, 30 milliliters Dijon or yellow mustard. I bought already mixed mayonnaise and mustard. Add salt, pepper, and seasonings. I like red paprika for this recipe. To cook a salad, in a large bowl mix together potatoes, celery, dill, onions, bacon, the sauce. Toss well until combined. Refrigerate covered until chilled, about 1 hour. Enjoy your easy bacon potato salad and subscribe to my channel.